Welcome back, my dear children of class 6. Now, I have already asked you to complete these exercises of page number 20 and 21. Today, we will discuss the answers. Now, write the plural form of the following exercise number A. Goose, geese, jeans, it will remain jeans only. Furniture will remain furniture. Cattle will remain cattle. Manservant, men servants. Sister-in-law, sisters-in-law. You have to add A's to sister. Rest part will remain same. Aircraft will remain aircraft. Deer will remain deer. Now read the following sentences and change the nouns printed in bold to their plural forms. Make any other changes if required. Exercise number B. So you just listen to me carefully. Number 1. First the question, then the answer. In this way I will say. The lady told the child an interesting tale. So the answer will be the lady told the children some interesting tales. Some interesting tales. Number 2. Jagan's answer was not correct. Jagan's answers were not correct. That means when it is becoming answers, at that time we have to change the word was to were. Number 3, the old house is made of stone. Here we have to write the old houses are made of stone. Here stone will remain stone only because it is the material noun here. Number 4, the question is this knife is quite sharp. So the answer will become these, T-H-E-A-C. We have to write T-H-E-A-C. This is the plural form. These knives, K-N-I-V-E-S, these knives are quite sharp. I repeat the answer. These knives are quite sharp. Number 5, the scenery is beautiful. It will remain same. The scenery is beautiful. Number 6, my mother said that cactus grows in the desert. Now this one we have to change to plural. So that means my mother said that cacti grow in the desert. Cactus will become cacti and grows will get changed into grow. That means plural verb. When the noun is getting changed into plural, at that time the verb will also become plural. Number 7, the army was told to march forward. Answer will be the armies were told to march forward. The armies were told to march forward. Number 8, the lady was in a cheerful mood. Answer is the ladies were in cheerful mood. I'm just repeating once more the answer. The ladies were in a cheerful mood. Number C. Sorry, beta. Read the following sentences and change the nouns printed in bold into singular forms. Make any changes if required. So first I will read the question, then the answer. The war heroes were given a standing ovation. So the answer will be the war hero was given a standing ovation. The war hero was given a standing ovation. Mathematics requires much practice. So it will remain same because we have already come to know that though it looks plural, but it is always singular. So mathematics requires much practice. Number 3, there are dozens of eggs kept in the baskets. Answer is there is a dozen of eggs kept in the baskets. That means there is a dozen. So dozens will get changed into dozen and as we are using it in a singular form, it's better to use an article before it. That's why the answer will be like this: there is a dozen of eggs kept in the baskets. Number 4, the daughters-in-law prepared dinner for the guests. Now the answer will be the daughter-in-law prepared dinner for the guests. The number 5, the commanders-in-chief gave orders to the soldiers. Here we will change the answer like this way: the commander-in-chief gave orders to the soldiers. I repeat, the commander-in-chief gave orders to the soldiers. Number 6, these cacti grow very slowly. So here again we have to change in this manner. This cactus. So you can see, children, we have to change it like this. This cactus grows very slowly, because we know that the singular form is cactus and plural is cacti. Number 7, the diaries were given to the children. The answer will be the diary was given to the children. Number 8, she went to the dentist to get her teeth extracted. She went to the dentist to get her tooth extracted. Number 9, paper should not be wasted. Now, paper can be used both as countable and uncountable. This I have already said you. So here you can just keep it like this way: paper should not be wasted, and you can change it also: papers should not be wasted. No harm in it, no problem. Number 10, I kept a dozen gift wrapping sheets in the drawer. So here dozen, we can see that it is already in the singular form. There is no need of change. So it will remain like this way: I kept a dozen gift wrapping sheets in the drawer. Number D I have written on the board, because here is, are, which one is applicable, you might get quite confused. I am reading the answers, you just can check it from the board. The news is disheartening. First one will be is. The police is chasing the thieves. The scissors are kept in the drawer. The trousers are washed and ironed. The furniture is kept in the adjacent room. The diagnoses are not correct. Wood is generally used to make strong doors. 2 T's are added to other letters to form the word abstract. Okay, children, number E, the last exercise. Fill in the blanks with plural form of nouns given in the brackets. All the girls received their new dresses for the function. Dresses. There are many metropolitan cities in India. One of the volcanoes in Java erupted. The shelves were full of books. They clicked a lot of photos during their visit to Singapore. Earlier, there were very few women lawyers in the Supreme Court. That means we have to just add A's to the lawyers. I kept all the albums in the cupboard. Rohan spotted many mongooses in the forest. So children, we have completed this one. If you are having any doubt anywhere, you just can ask me through our e-portal. I will answer you there. And in our next video, we will start noun case. Till then, bye.